Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this hot cocoa pouch set. So this is the one that I shared before, and let me show you the die set. So I have cut all these pieces out. So you got these in the set, and you need to cut this piece one time and this piece one time. Then you also need to cut the layering pieces. See all these layering pieces to cover. And this is the bottom part, so you need to cut this piece in background paper and this piece in layering paper. And also, this is also the layering piece of paper. And so yeah, it's quite simple to explain this die set because you just need to cut all pieces out, and yeah, it's ready. And then you also need a piece of acetate paper that you are going to cut it. So first I will glue all the layering pieces on top. See this one with this a little curved edge, so this is going to be put on the top, and this one narrower one would be put at this part, and this is the part to put it here. Okay, and this piece is to put here, and this piece here. Then for this piece, you have different ways to make it. So this is also the top, and here, and this is the side piece. So for this part, you could make it just blank or put it like so. So just put these two together like this way. So you could make it as the background, as the layering paper to cover this blank area. And this is the bottom part with this one, and also this triangle part here. So all the pieces are layered like so. So now we only need to place our acetate paper here. So we can cut the acetate paper like so. Yeah, it's about this size. And let's check again about the size. Okay, now let's stick it. So now these pieces are ready, and let's fold it along this line. Now stick these two parts on this paper. And now close this part by adding the glue here. So now the box is like this, and just fold it like so, right? And also fold this side a little bit. Okay, I think I forgot one thing. I need to fold this piece first because now I can't finish it. In this way, it will have a better curve at this part. Yeah, it's okay now. So you could use two ways to close this top. You can use use a clip, paper clip. You can use a clip here, or use the use the puncture to punch two holes here, just to add a ribbon like so. Add a ribbon like so, or you can use Velcro or magnet. Like this way, I use magnet here. See, I use 4 magnet here to close it. So you can use different ways, just the way you could use at your hand, and to just close this part, so it will look like this. And this box is super large and very easy to understand how to put it together, right? And also for this top part, you can make it into a shaker because you have this piece, and this piece can cut the foam to make the shaker front. So like this way, I make this piece into a shaker. See, there is shaker mix inside, and I think it would also be a very fun idea. So then you can decorate your inside, and it can put a lot of things. As this one, I put like 2 bags of marshmallow, the hot cocoa mix, and then 2 candy cans, and it still leave a lot of space. So yeah, this is a good size box that you could use to hold the gift. See, there is still much more place for you to to send more gift inside. So this is all for it today, and if you have any questions, please let me know. And also, if you have any questions about, or you want any tutorial videos, just leave it in the comment so I will know it, because sometimes I don't know what die needs tutorial video. And if you leave me comment, then I will know it, and then I will try to make it for you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.